Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to log out of your Facebook account from multiple devices. First, open the Facebook app and access the menu. Then, tap the gear icon located at the top right corner. Next, search for Password and Security section and select Password and Security. Here, you'll find the Where You're Logged In option. Tap on it, and you'll be able to see details about your account's login activity. To log out from a specific device, tap the device you're using and follow the steps to log out. If you want to log out of multiple devices at once, scroll down and tap on Select Devices. From there, you can choose Select All and hit Log Out to log out from all devices at once. That's all for now. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks for watching.